To set the desired amount of content population per platform API in the POPsphere, follow these steps on the POPsphere main screen display. Select each API logo that is not grayed out. Type in the number of tiles desired for that platform, up to a maximum of 2,480 tiles. Press the Confirm button and move on to the next API platform. Repeat the process for all APIs, using the keyboard arrows to rotate the sphere left or right to reveal all social sphere logos. Once you have configured all 2,480 tiles,
Going away?
you can access the POPsphere.
It's true.
Please allow all social media contents to populate the POPsphere workspace. A one-time navigation prompt will instruct you of the keystrokes that allow ease of navigation in the POPsphere. Keyboard arrows with mouse combined allow rotation, pan and tilt directions of the POPsphere. Control Spacebar will prompt the pop-up searcher for typed keyword searches to generate. Press magnifying lens to complete search. Watch 3 commercial sponsors for each search query while waiting.
So it's another day. Yeah, that's what most people think. But in business, it's never just another day. Every day is the day. There's the day your store has its biggest sale, the day you have a make-or-break presentation, and the day your team operates from across the country. But there's also the day you never see coming, the day when nothing goes right. See, that's the thing. You never know what the day might bring. So whether you do business on Wall Street or Main Street, you have to be ready. With the power of the network that can deliver gig speeds to the most businesses, the freedom to control that network from anywhere, and advanced cybersecurity to help protect every device on it. All backed by a dedicated team 24/7. Every day in business is a big day. We'll keep you ready for what's next. Comcast Business, powering possibilities.
Ladies and gentlemen, our takeover of General Motors is complete.
Dr. Evil, we can now use GM's Ultium platform to power our whole operation.
Now we can reduce tailpipe emissions.
I'm sorry, am I no longer Dr. Evil? I'm Dr. Good now? I didn't get the meme.
Climate change is arguably the #1 threat to the world now.
Dr. Evil, you are now the #2 threat to the world.
I refuse to be number two.
We have to help the planet.
Oh, please, cheer.
For my son.
Your son? I shall name him Baby Me.
No, his name is Kyle.
You must help save the world first.
Then you can take over that world.
Okay, Frau, how about you let me do the business, all right? Hold on, I've got it. I will help save the world first, then take over the world.
She literally just said that.
Scott, you just don't get it, do you?
What? What don't I get?
You don't get it.
Oh, we're right back.
And you're never gonna get it.
You can't draw me into these little...
You don't get it.
You act like a child.
Here it is. You don't get
I
it.
am an adult. You can't push my buttons anymore.
We'll reduce our carbon footprint.
Whatever. Okay, let's go. We're going all electric.
Everybody in!
Not you, Scott. One day you're gonna run the company, Baby Me.
Arrow down key continuously will navigate to the Popology Megaverse. Right-click quickly navigates to main dashboard console. Select the content tile you desire and drag and drop the tile anywhere in the POPcast timeline. It automatically snaps to the next available numeric position. Each piece of content in the POPcast timeline has a white play button to view the content. Press this play function and the entire screen displays your video selection from the native platform it comes from. Press the gold pop token POPOLOGY logo to access another convenient POPsphere navigation feature. See the drop-down menu of social media platforms that populate the POPsphere, each with a color-coded continent ledger. Select the platform you seek to navigate to, and the POPsphere will automatically rotate to take you there. You can elect to delete from the POPcast if you wish by pressing the X button. Happy with your selections? Use arrow to zoom in to see content better.
Carry on, 'cause nothing really matters.
Right-click and press Save Selection on top of the console menu bar above the main dashboard display.